Bullish Cardano cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.41 and $3.07 by 2030. Market experts accept ADA could reach $1.41 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2022 is 25 cents. Cardano presentation: the digital currency market is duplicating continuously. In any case, staying aware of this quick-moving industry is certainly not a simple undertaking. In this way, numerous financial backers and brokers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Stay close by for a careful clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's in store for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that in the event that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a determined undertaking that calls for both tolerance and exploration. We should plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin appears to be legit for you. What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system, in which holders of the cash are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital currency trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-assessed information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the digital money market goes quick. However, Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and deliberately. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of distinguishing likely dangers. Cardano's specialized examination, albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with foreseeing valuing development for Cardano and the bigger digital currency market. There are a few possible significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow a reasonable and truth-put-together perspective with respect to your exchanging-related choices through specialized examination. Following are probably the most utilized specialized markers. Moving midpoints: this particular pointer is assembled utilizing Cardano costs got from before information. Utilizing moving midpoints, dealers can decide how the cost of Cardano has changed after some time and where it is moving in light of the data within reach. Key investigation: Cardano's particular offer is its certain strength. They aren't planning to catch the whole market for savvy contracts and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a serviceable decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer design keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the register part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Additionally, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably chipping away at the undertaking. Because of these critical quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. As the organization's power increments with decentralization and the ADA token stockpile is set at 45 billion, there are likely benefits for financial backers to buy, keep, and stake ADA tokens. Cardano current cost. Cardano is right now worth 31 cents USD. ADA has moved 0.77% as of now with an exchanging volume of $164,438,936. Cardano is right now position 9 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $10,964,095,767 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Cardano value expectation 2022. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ADA cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 47 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 43 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 37 cents. Cardano value forecast 2023. In 2023, Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 78 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ADA's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 62 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 68 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.10 and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1 and a low of 94 cents in 2024. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Cardano effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2025. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.41, with a base cost of $1.25 and a typical cost of $1.32. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.63 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.57 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $1.72. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.94. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.04. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.88. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.19 and a yearly cost close above $2.35 in 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.51 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.66, averaging out at $2.57. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ADA cost in 2030 is projected to be $3.07 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.95. And Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep contending with the best digital forms of money. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other beneficial digital money choices. In this way, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your